This is Dr. Rich Shuttler for Power Team Success Television Network, and I want to introduce you today to Laura Swim. Hi, Laura.
Hi.
Glad to have you with us.
Thank you so much for having me join you today.
Oh, it's our pleasure. It's our pleasure. One of the things I'd like for you to do is, if you would, tell a little bit about who you are and what you do.
Well, I'm the founder and owner of Discover Balance Health and Wellness, and I've been led down this path after many years of living a very fast-paced lifestyle. I was driving in the fast lane with a very demanding career, having school on top of that, studying in the evening, and as well as those commitments that come along with extracurricular activities. So from there, I became a holistic nutritionist and yoga instructor, and have a passion for helping people find balance in their own lives.
Well, it's easy to see your passion. It comes out right here. So I know you speak a lot. You talk to audiences all around the world. So when you're there, what are 2 or 3 things that you impart upon them that you're educating and training them about?
It's really important for me to let people know that, first of all, you're the driver. So you're the one driving the car and choosing the road to go down. And there's different things. Our key points, we talk about different drains that happen both internally and externally when you are living a life that's out of balance. We also talk about techniques and coping mechanisms, so strategies that you can put in your toolbox to pull out and use to find balance in your daily life, as well as relaxation techniques that will help you to find calm and lead you to health and happiness.
I like that you mentioned toolbox, because I've always been a big believer that you want to have a toolbox full of many different tools and use the right one at the right time. So good for you. When your audience leaves, what's one result that you ensure that they have? What's one takeaway that they're able to do differently the very next day or soon after by applying your system?
Well, they've got the toolbox, so it's up to them again to drive the car and use the tools. But really, if you do implement and use the tools, you'll have better focus, increased productivity, and more energy, which helps to lead you to that health and happiness.
I think better focus is what we all need in these days of fast times, like you're saying. So greater focus is always important. As you stay focused, what do you do to stay focused and so energetic? Tell our audience on how you apply your own concepts to your own life.
Well, it's really important for me. I'm a huge fan of nature and experiencing the beauty that Mother Nature has to offer us. So I hike, I love doing my yoga practice anywhere in the beautiful scenery that I can, as well as painting and playing the piano using the creative side of my brain. And family is incredibly important to me, so spending that time with the people that I love. So
it sounds like you live the same life that you prescribe for others to join in on.
It's incredibly important to lead by example.
I believe so too, and that's probably why you're so successful. I can see that. So as we end this, one of the things we always like to have our guests tell those who are watching this, or maybe it's the same tip that you give to people, that piece of wisdom at your events. What's one thing that you really want to ensure people know based on everything you know?
It's really all about being the driver. So you're in the driver's seat and you're the one that's going down the road. So make sure that the road that you're going down is the one that you want to be on, and you're the one that can change the course at any time.
I think that's really critical to understand what road you're on and making sure you're on the right path. Excellent. Well, we're very happy to have had you here with us today. We're going to make sure that everybody knows how to get hold of you at your website. We're also going to put your information on our website at Power Team's website that we have at VIPspeakers.net. Thank you very much, Laura, for being with us and sharing with your insights.
Thank you for having me.
All right, well.